Come test drive this 2006 Infiniti G35. This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has fewer than 70,000 miles. Infiniti made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It includes heated seats, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, high-intensity discharge headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and leather upholstery. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.